First of all, I would like to respect my sir and good morning to all of you. My name is Deep Jyoti. Today I am very happy because sir has given me a golden opportunity to say something in front of you. I am going to say something about myself because I am not a big speaker. I am going to perform here as a learner. My name is Deep Jyoti. I belong to Madhepura itself. I am the age of 21 years. As far as my qualification is concerned, I have passed my matriculation from BICB Board Patna in 2015. I have also completed my intermediate from BIC Board Patna in 2018. I have completed my graduation from BNMU. My honors paper is English. About my family, there are 3 members in my family. My father's name is Bablu Sir. He is a businessman. Where my mother is a housewife. Her name is Kiran Devi. I don't have any brother and sister. I am alone as a daughter in my family. About my hobbies, there are couple of my hobbies: watching TV and learning new things. My aim in life to be a banker. This is all about me. Thank you.
That's good. बहुत अच्छा. ठीक है, तो आप में हिम्मत होनी चाहिए थी, बस सीधी सी बात है. You came here to learn English, means that as a spoken class आप provide कर रहे हैं. If I speak in Hindi, you are able to translate it into English. But without speaking Hindi, how will I speak English? These are the matter. That's why I am calling you again and again and say something about it. ताकि आप में fluency है. नहीं. If I ask anything about the union is strength, एकता में बल है. I will not speak in Hindi. You have to say something into English. So are you able to translate?
Yes, sir.
Say something. How can you say that union is strength? एकता में बल है. आपको proof करना है with the help of a story.
Okay.
Choose any story and prove that yes, union is strength.
There was a king. He had 4 sons. They always quarrel among them. The king became very sad because his sons quarrel among them. Then the king called his sons and said, "Give me a bundle of stick." His sons gave him a bundle of stick. Then the king said, "Break it now." Everyone tried but fell. The king opened the bundle of stick and said, "Break it now one by one." Everyone broke it very easily. Then the king Everyone broke it very easily. Then the king asked a question, "What did you learn today?" His sons replied, "We learned that union is strength. If you will live together, then no one can break us." Since then, live together very happily.
They all live together well.
Sorry, since then they all live together very happily.
और सभी खुशी खुशी साथ रहने लगे. That's good. बहुत अच्छा. Okay, beta, say something about your teacher because you came here to learn English, how to speak. Nah, you are taking a spoken classes and also I'll teach you. If I'll give you a topic that say something about myself as a teacher, what do you think about me? Because you go everywhere, there are lots of teachers who lives here at Madhepura. Some spoken classes is also going on. Someone told me because बच्चा हर जगह जाता है और हर जगह से घूम फिर के मेरे पास भी कुछ आता है. तो यहाँ का स्ट्रेटजी मैंने देखा हुआ है. फर्स्टली यू हैव टू टेक एडमिशन, देन गो इनसाइड द क्लास. स्पोकन वाले का ये पॉलिसी चल रहा है. डजेंट मैटर व्हाट इज हैपनिंग देयर और नॉट. बट इफ आई आस्क टू यू से समथिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ, तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट मी? से समथिंग.
English teacher, ma'am.
Yeah, you're English teacher. You are here in a lingua. I'll give you this topic. Say something about me. Everywhere.
The name of my English teacher is Parvesh sir. As we know that before yet he lived in Delhi, but now here is at Madhepura. He is here at Madhepura. Alungua is very famous not only Madhepura but also out of Madhepura. Parvesh sir is very kind-hearted person. There are lots of